See the 8th question in exercise 3.1. If tan square theta is equal to 1 minus k square, show that secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosecant theta is equal to 2 minus k square the whole power 3 by 2. Also find the values of k for which this result holds. Now see the solution. What is given? Tan square theta is equal to 1 minus k square. So write it down. Tan square theta is equal to 1 minus k square. Now I am going to add 1 on both sides. Because see here you have 2 minus k square the whole power 3 by 2. Little by little I am going to change this 1 minus k square as 2 minus k square the whole power 3 by 2. So now let's add 1 on both sides. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus 1 becomes 2 minus k square. So 2 minus k square, and we can write 1 plus tan square theta as secant square theta using the identity, because you know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta. Now we have obtained the value of 2 minus k square. Now see here in the power you have 3 by 2. So raise power 3 by 2 on both sides. So power 3 by 2, this is right hand side because that is what given in the right hand side. So power 3 by 2. Here secant square theta the whole power 3 by 2, which becomes secant cube theta, because secant square theta, this square, and the whole power 3 by 2, and this 2 will get cancelled. So you have secant cube theta. So this is what you got as the value of right hand side. Now take the left hand side. Left hand side you have secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosecant theta. Now using a reciprocal relation we can write secant theta as 1 by cos theta, and tan cube theta as we can write using a quotient relation. We can write, because we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So it becomes sin cube theta by cos cube theta. Cosecant theta, using a reciprocal relation, we can write it as 1 by sin theta. Now you can cancel here sin cube theta, 1 sin theta, and here 1 sin theta gets cancelled. So you have 1 by cos theta plus, already it got cancelled. So we have sin square theta divided by cos cube theta. Now you take LCM for the denominator. What is the LCM of cos theta and cos cube theta? It is cos cube theta. So this is the LCM for the denominator. And after taking LCM is, so here you have cos cube theta. When you take LCM, already you have cos theta. Here cos cube. So multiply both numerator and denominator by cos square theta. So cos square theta. And here already you have cos cube theta. So numerator write down as it is, sin square theta. Now see the numerator, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So you got 1 by cos cube theta. And using reciprocal relation we can write 1 by cos theta as secant theta. So here you have cos cube theta. So we can write secant cube theta. Now see both equation 1 and 2, name these as 1 and this as 2. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence it is proved. And you are also asked to find the value of k for which the result holds. And at last you have to give this proof. You have to find the value of k. Already in the question it is given that tan square theta is equal to 1 minus k square. So we can write tan theta as root of 1 minus k square. You know very well, a square root value is always positive. Okay, square root kulla negative irukadu. Irundaduna adu imaginary number, adu real number kadayadu. Okay, so root 1 minus k square is greater than or equal to 0. It means that 1 minus k square is greater than or equal to 0. And bring minus k square to the right side. You have 1 greater than or equal to k square, or this we can write it as k square is less than or equal to 1. So which is k less than or equal to plus or minus 1. So when you substitute 1 here, 1 square is 1, same you have. When you substitute minus 1 in the place of k, minus 1 the whole square, the same 1 you have. So it satisfies both the values 1 and minus 1. So this we can write it as k less than or equal to plus or minus 1 enirudha nama eppadi eluduvom, minus 1 less than or equal to k less than or equal to 1. That we can give it in this way also. K belongs to the closed interval minus 1, 1. So this also you have to write down in the proof. Thank you, children.